What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to take a look at the cladding, how it turned out after being painted. Also, we're going to talk about what you can and cannot do for your cladding to treat it. So we're going to talk about all this coming right up. What is going on, guys? Welcome back. So today we're taking a look at the cladding, and let's see if we can get some proper footage of what it looks like right over here. So as you can see, everything is an even dark matte black color. I think it looks beautiful. Look at that nice little King Customs logo there, the license plate. It looks super sick, super sweet, and super clean. It looks 100 times better than it originally did. Even the sail, look at the sail. Do you remember how gray that sail was, all faded and ugly? Now it looks super rich, super dark, and just beautiful. I love it so much. Even the saddlebags, obviously we got to remove this piece of tape here that we forgot, but I'll get to that eventually. There you go. Look at that, clean. Throw that off to the side. Now, we're going to walk around the truck anyway, so I can just show you guys the whole thing's basically covered. Here you go. This side, the other saddle. I don't think another coat's needed for this because it actually looks pretty good. But yeah, look how deep and dark and rich this looks. It just enhances my Avalanche 1,000 times more, 100% better. Guys, I couldn't ask for anything else. One thing that I have to do left that I didn't get to do is we got to obviously retouch the Tonneau Pro covers. Or the covers, the bed covers. I don't think they're called Tonneau Pros, but the bed covers, and also touch up here because we didn't even touch this side here or the deck lid. So we got to paint all that and make sure it is a nice color, come back like the rest of the truck, and then everything should be complete. Now here's the problem that I ran into. Unfortunately, I only have like literally half a can left, and I am hoping that one spray on each thing can last, or that whole half a can can last for the entire 3 covers and that little piece. I'm hoping. If not, worst case scenario, I'll get some more spray for the covers, but I'm going to focus on the actual aesthetics of the truck instead of those covers, because those covers are detachable and they're not that big of a deal for me right now. But we had a question from one of the viewers. His name is Edward Lopez, and he asked me if I can do a video talking about what you can and cannot do for the treatment of your Avalanche cladding. One of the things that he asked was, you know, he knows people who want to use the heat gun treatment method on the cladding, and he asked me to talk about it a little bit, and he knows that it's bad. It's not something that should be done, and he just wants my advice on it. So here you go, Edward. Here's the answer. And to all of you guys who are, well, that's a huge ass wasp. That thing is up in the house. That's bad. Anyway, so what he wanted me to talk about was the heat treatment of the cladding. Yes, when you do the heat treatment of the cladding, it will look like this for a time being, but then it comes back 20 times worse. It looks terrible. You're not actually helping anything with that cladding. You're just damaging it more and more. So do not do that heat gun treatment. Do not do no flamethrower treatment on it. Don't do any kind of treatment that involves heat. That just makes things worse, and it makes it 20 times more uglier when it's cured and healed or whatever the hell you just did. It's gonna look bad. Second thing, what I used to do is after I washed my vehicle, I would take some tire wet shine or something like that and rub down the entire cladding, get it a nice deep black. It's just because the oil in that actually helped it from fading, made it look a little bit nicer. Over some time though, maybe a week or two, it'll go away due to the weathering, the rain and stuff like that. So that's really a temporary fix, and it's very time consuming to do that. This here was the Eastwood spray that I used on this. 100% easier, way more effective. Apparently it's not supposed to fade. It's been lab tested. Even on the back it talks about it. Has laboratory proven 7-year UV resistance. This is not just another black paint or wipe on coating. Eastwood plastic resurfacer actually reflows and resurfaces all faded and chalky exterior matte black plastic automotive parts and bed liner material. Leave a factory fresh deep black finish. It passed 3,000 hours of ASTM, whatever that means, D4587 QUV testing. I'm guessing quality UV testing. That's equal to 7 years in the hot baking sun without fading. Unlike many wipes or products, it actually etches and reflows the surface, embedding black resins into the substrate and maintaining the original texture. Compatible with all automotive plastics and urethanes. So, that's what it says, okay? I bought it. I like it. The only thing that I didn't like was the drippage that it left after putting gas into the truck. Obviously, it looks better now because I had to respray over it a few times. I even cleaned it up. But it's better. No residue on the hands. So 100% more better than yesterday. And I'm happy with it. I can't say that I'm not happy. It actually looks really good. And I forgot a spot here, so I gotta actually retouch that, if you can see it. I guess I over taped, but whatever. Better to be under spotted than over spotted, I guess, you know. So I'm gonna work on the rest of this. I'm gonna finish it up, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys as soon as it's 100% done. If you want to see a video of me spraying the 3 bed pieces, let me know. I'll do a separate video on that. But it's basically the same thing as the truck, except you can detach your bed covers and you don't have to plastic anything. So let me get to that and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so unfortunately, I only got to spray 2 of the bed covers. One of them I could not spray because I finally actually ran out of paint. So I gotta purchase some more. I'll purchase a couple more cans because I also want to do the cowl on my car that's faded as well. And I do want to get this last bed cover and obviously touch up little spots that probably didn't get enough coverage. But as everything looking right now, it seems like everything got enough coverage. It just looks so amazing and so beautiful. Like I said, check that out again. It's just so dark, so deep, and so rich. I'm so happy with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick episode. It wasn't anything too crazy. It was just an answer to a question that Edward asked me to touch up on. So I hope you guys did enjoy this. If you did, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And make sure that you hit that like button because it does help the channel get boosted up into the YouTube algorithm. So I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.